All right, Unit 11, Lesson 6, we're talking about the equation of a circle. And so in class we wrote down the equation x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared equals r squared. And so h and k are the center point and r is the radius. And so the first one says describe the circle. When we describe a circle, we describe it by where it is centered and how big it is. So the center point of this is going to be the opposite of -7, which is 7. And my k value is the opposite of -8, which is 8. And my radius is the square root of 9, which is just 3. Okay, so you're going to do the opposite here. You're going to start with the center and the radius. You're going to plug them into the equation and come up with the new equation. You guys can do that one. I'm going to scroll down and take a look at, let's go ahead and look at question number 3. Which equation represents a circle O with center 2, -8 and a radius of 9? Well, I'm going to start with x. Here's my h value, here's my k value, here's my r. And so x minus 2 squared plus y minus -8 squared equals r squared. And so minus the -8 is going to give me a positive, and then I know that 9 squared is 81. And so I'm looking for -2 plus 8 and then 81, so choice 4. And number 4, you kind of would have to look at this graphically. If I just sketch a graph quickly, sorry, that's crooked. I have 2, 0. So let's just say 2 zeros here, and 2, -8, 2, -8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's just say that's there. And so this is the diameter of my circle. What I need to know is where the center of my circle would be. So I'm just picturing my circle going like this, around this line. So the center of my circle is going to be somewhere in here, which I need an exact point here. The difference between here and here is 8, so I must be going down 4. So that's going to be the point 2, -4. And my radius would be 4. So you're going to use this center point, 2, -4, and your radius of 4 to come up with the equation of a circle. And then number 5, you're just looking at the graph. So I'm going to leave that one for you to do.